Hi, to customize our iPad 10th generation lock screen, as a first step we can do it either through settings or directly on the lock screen. So let's go in the settings first. Here on the left side choose wallpaper, and then you can choose this blue button add new wallpaper, and you'll see this tab. If you want to do it for your lock screen, you would need to simply go to your lock screen, tap many times to require Touch ID, then simply unlock your device and go in this edit mode. And here tap on the plus and this down right corner, and you'll see the same suggestions for wallpapers. So here we got categories, emojis, Pride, iPadOS 18, and so on. And if you would like to set your own photo, you need to select this photos icon, and then you would see these suggestions. You can switch from all to live photo right here, or you can select something on the left side such as people and pets, days, memories, favorites, and so on. Let's choose this one from favorites, and we are gonna tap it, and this is how it will look on our lock screen. So here we can also pinch it to crop, we can resize it, and so on. And if we swipe left, we can switch between those styles. So we got here black and white, color backdrop, and so on. Also, you can see this icon with color. You can tap on it and select background color. For example, we can tap on this palette and choose this pink one. And this is how it will look in this preset. So let's go back to the natural, and also we got here those three dots. We can show this photo in library. Sometimes there is an option to extend wallpaper, but mine is disabled right now because there is nothing to extend. And also we got here depth effect, so we can just enable this depth effect for cooler wallpaper option. Now we can tap on time and switch to any different type of font color and font style. So just tap on any option here, select the intensity, and like that, drag the slider, and after that you can also choose a color. And also you can tap on this palette, select color manually from this range of options, or you can tap this icon and choose color on your photo like that. And of course you can switch to different shade, just like this. Now let's tap here on the top, and from calendar we can switch to weather, for example, and this is how it will look now. Or we can choose health, and here you see date and this health tab. And of course we can add some widgets, so let's tap here. We got suggested options, or we can choose manually from this list of apps. For example, let's click on batteries, and now we got two options for batteries. I'm gonna select this one, and we can also just choose something from suggestions such as calendar, and also we can select weather. Let's go in Google Chrome, and we can add this storage bar, so let's tap it, and this is how it will look. If you messed up and you want to remove any widget, you just need to tap on this minus and it would be gone. And now let's close this window, and here we got this icon with the help of which we can replace this photo. So just tap anything else and it would be displayed right on your lock screen. And after you are done changing it, you will need to tap this blue add button and select to set it as wallpaper pair, or you can customize home screen additionally. So let's choose set as wallpaper pair, and now this is our lock screen. Let's unlock the device, and this is our home screen. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.